we will discuss and understand why you should invest for financial freedom. In our previous videos, we discussed inflation has the core reason why you must invest. If not, inflation will eat away your savings bit by bit by reducing its purchasing power. Investing to beat inflation suits well for those who already have enough money in hand and enjoy financial freedom. For them, keeping overall worth of money unaffected matters the most. For old age retired personnel whose risk-taking capacity is very limited, investing to beat inflation also works very well. But if you are young and ready to work hard to achieve financial freedom, we suggest making financial freedom your ultimate financial goal and investing to achieve it. We all dream of one day having enough money so that we no longer have to look at the price tags in a shopping mall or right side of a menu in a restaurant. But in the real world, how many can realize this dream? A small percentage of the entire population. Well, one of the main reasons why they end up where they end up is investing skill. People with investing skill find ways where they don't work for money but money works for them. People with investing skill and financial goals achieve financial freedom because they know what they are doing with their money. A lot of people only work for money or sit on the sidelines of life, hoping that their financial dreams will come true one day. But nothing happens in life until you take smart actions. Most believe that their life is shaped by circumstances and things that happen to them. But it's not true. You may have forgotten you are the master of your life. This means that you have the power to make your own choices. You are not born here to live an average life. But for things to change, you have to change. It's never too late to learn investing skill. It's not a rocket science. Once you learn investing skill, you can make use of your money to make more money by earning interest, dividends, and capital gain by buying assets that appreciate over time. Fear will take control if you are waiting too long to start investing. Remember, whatever your age, income, or outlook, all investments start with the first rupee. Start your investment journey with a small amount and set financial freedom as your ultimate financial goal and see wonderful things happen to you.